Hi, how are you? The problem or the bug number one has been fixed, and I want to show the demo of this application after the fixation of the issue number one. This is the initially blank application. It don't have any version saved in hard disk. Let's add some new task. This is task number one. I added task number one. You can see that save updates is disabled. Okay. If I add task 2, task 2 has been added. As you can see, task 1 and task 2 added. But if you see over here, save updates is disabled. So I am giving a version 1, and if I hit at this save button, the version 1 has been saved in disk and loaded properly. Over here you can see now the loaded version is version 1, and it contains is already added. Now it has 2 tasks, and our save update is disabled. We can give it a new name, version 2. Okay, now if I add a task 3 in this current version, then I think it must be now this is enabled. Why? Because we have updated the existing version, so this time save updates will be enabled. And if I save update, you will see that the data will be saved, the task will be saved in this version, and it will also be loaded. So task 1, task 2, task 3. So again this save update is disabled. What if I again delete any task from this version? Now it has been updated or changed, so this time again save changes will be highlighted or enabled. So if I do save changes, the same data will be saved on the disk in a text file. Anyhow, if I close this application and if I launch again, and you will see that all the options are disabled. And if I load this one version, you will see that this button is disabled, and only 2 tasks, task 1 and task 2, will be loaded, because we have deleted the task number 3 and we had pressed this save button. I hope what you are expecting has been achieved. If there is something you consider that has not been implemented, do tell me. I will try to fix it again. Take care.